Hello everyone, hope you are all doing great. Today we are gonna make this delicious broad bean rice with lamb shank together. First, slice the onions into thin strips. Then, thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic. Now place half of the onions in a pressure cooker. Lay shanks on top of the onions. Add the garlic and the remaining onions on top. Now add the spices and a cinnamon stick. Add a bit of saffron for the better aroma. Now add 3 cups of boiling water and place it on low heat for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, open the pressure cooker and add a little saffron, salt, and 1 chopped carrot. Let it cook with the lid on for another 45 minutes until it's fully cooked and well flavored. Meanwhile, place the rinsed rice and broad beans with salt, turmeric, garlic powder, and a little oil on high heat. Add dry dill to your liking and let it come to a boil. Once the water has fully evaporated, let the rice steam for 1 hour. The lamb shank dish is ready. If you prefer it less juicy, you can cook it for another 10 minutes. However, I suggest keeping it slightly juicy. The broad bean rice is also steamed and ready. Now serve the dish in your serving plate. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'd be happy if you'd support us with a like and subscribe. Stay happy, healthy, and kind.